Hey, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be working on a logo for my eBay store. That's right, I do more than just make incredible pieces of artwork, take fantastic photographs and photography and 3D models, and besides looking amazing every day as a model. I'm kidding, I'm joking, I'm not really a model. I do enjoy experimenting on a bunch of different things, especially if it's something artistic or businessy like. After watching countless of Gary Vee videos about hustling, I felt like I needed to do something, and that I did. I ended up branching out from Gary Vee to Rally Roots to Daily Refinement, and of course our heavy hitter Rudy from Alpha Investments. And I was like, you know what if I can combine like a bunch of things that I like. I enjoy Magic the Gathering. I actually enjoy going to yard sales, garage sales, and finding good deals at like stores, Walmart, etc. You know, with the whole retail arbitrage thing. Already an artist, already an author, already a photographer, and the next thing I'll be doing or getting into is gonna be bigger photography. But before that, I needed to give reselling a real true try. I ended up purchasing a bunch of racks, a bunch of bins. I got poly mailers, inserts for the poly mailers, a bunch of supplies, shipping supplies, got the works. Bought a bunch of Magic cards. So yeah, that's what Mage Market is all about. You can check it out if you want or don't. It doesn't really matter, as Mage Market is it's a living. So I originally wanted to create Artifact Seeker as part of a channel, or this channel. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this probably like a mini series, maybe once a month. I'm not really sure how frequently I want to do it, because I also, as a diver of new skills and explorations, I also started Twitching, just mainly for Magic Arena, and once I get the equipment for Dead or Alive 6. And doodling, of course. Doodling, figure painting, all the fun artistic ventures that we'll be taking moving forward. Anyways, I think I'm kind of losing track. I'm supposed to be talking about this, how I came up with the idea for this. Well, it's not a doodle. I keep wanting to say doodle, but it's a logo for the Mage Market store. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Soul Eater. There's a main character, or one of the main characters is Maka, which is pretty boss. It's pretty dope. Obviously I can't just straight up use her, and the creator, like, he's one of my favorite artists, along with of course Scott M. Fisher. Anyways, getting sidetracked again. Yeah, so obviously I can't just straight up using, so I wanted to create kind of like my own little version of that character. And what better way than this? Oh, well, I guess you can't see it because we're still time-lapsing the video. But yeah, I was thinking about adding Artifact Seeker as part of this channel. It's a mini-series. And just to capture, I mean, it would not really be anything related to the artistic side, but if you could, and one should, I mean, business is an artistic ability that not everybody can do, you know. So, you know, highlighting a couple key strategies or a couple tips and tricks here and there. You know, obviously I'm still a beginner and I'm still learning quite a bit. I still haven't even tried to do Amazon, and I haven't started Amazon mainly because I want to get good at eBay first. And since I haven't met any of my goals, well, I've met a few goals, but not money goals, which is the main focus, of course, of having any type of business is financial growth, naturally. But it is a lot of fun just traveling, seeking, wandering around, driving a bunch of different places that you would never go. And this all lines up with Countermage because I can go seeking at garage sales, yard sales, Goodwills, Salvation Armies. I can go looking for stuff, and while I'm in like a new area, I'll find like some great like environments or buildings, architectures, anything cool, and just take my cameras with me everywhere I go, take a couple good footages, and then I have something new to doodle. Or maybe I kind of want to start carrying, I know it's gonna sound so cringy and so weird, but maybe I should start carrying like a figure or two. Probably is gonna be some magic figures, some of the planeswalkers, because that's all the action figures that they have. Maybe some Ruby, some Tomb Raider. I don't know, we'll see. I don't really have that many, but I mean, it's still young. I haven't even posted the video. I'm actually in the process of editing that one. So yeah, it all can be done within the same go. You know, go out one day, get a bunch of images, bunch of stuff for the store. It all works out. And with Magic, I can just order a few booster boxes, open them up, maybe even record them, post them. I don't know. I tried doing that with one of the Ultimate Masters, but I ended up taking it down just because I didn't realize that my microphone needed batteries. And yeah, I was basically recorded absolutely nothing, audio wise, of course. And back to the logo, I'm not the greatest at Illustrator, and that's mainly why I did it in Illustrator, to get some practice in. Oh, I need to also finish what am I talking about? Saying that as if I've started. Rough drew a little tiny thumbnail of a marketplace, kind of like it's just like a market view, first point of view, where there's a bunch of trinkets, swords, staffs, a bunch of oddities, objects, a bunch of craziness in there, some spider webs, just, you know, to give some wizardry aesthetic. Once I start making it, I think it'll look pretty cool. I haven't started on it, so maybe the next video? I don't know. No, the next one's gonna be the figure photography. It is gonna be one of the planeswalkers. So maybe the video after that, but probably not, because I also need to make a doodle. If you guys have any suggestions, recommendations on what to doodle next, definitely let me know. I've been doing a few birds here and there, so I might do something ground bound, maybe like an insect, maybe? I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll think of something. I forgot to record the ending of the making of this logo for the store, so I guess it's not really complete. Well, I mean, the finished product's complete, but the video's not complete. I think I struggled most on picking out a color for the background, because there were so many different ones that looked really cool. I liked a lot of them. I ended up choosing this one because I think that her hair and the pink scarf kind of pop out a little bit. Plus her eyes are a different type of green. They're more like lime green. And I believe with the light blue touch in the back, it makes them pop out a little bit. She almost, actually, I think she looks bug-eyed. She may be a little bit too bug-eyed. The easy fix for that is just imagine it being anime. All animes have incredibly big bug eyes. I may go back and touch up a few things, but it probably won't be for a good little while. And I may end up using the other two logos that I made. I made one that actually says Artifact Seeker, and one of the Golden Cup with the little targets, the black and red one. I'll probably use those for when I end up making the Artifact Seeker little mini segments or series for within Counter Mage. But we'll see. Alright, gonna go ahead and roll on out of here. You guys take it easy, smash like, subscribe. Don't forget to tear down that notification.